No, no, no. Oh my goodness. Oh, just shoot me. Okay, I hope I am live and that you can hear me. That is my hope. So I'm going to turn this on.
Next week and a half or so is going to be a very interesting one when it comes to the battle between the bulls and the bears.
I'm going to turn on my YouTube real quick and on my phone at least and see if you can hear me. You can hear me. All right. I don't know what was going on with that. That was ridiculous. So yesterday, it just all of a sudden went out. And I hope that doesn't happen again today. So let's see. I need a better camera. I'm sure I look a little hazy in my bottom corner there. So let's see. Let me get set up real quick. I just wanted to make sure that audio worked. But all right, 32.5, day one of Grayscale unlocks. So good morning, Albert. GBTC crash incoming. Well, all right, yeah. So this is day one of Grayscale unlocks. And again, bears are using this as an opportunity. Grayscale is not selling any of their Bitcoin. But they're using it as an opportunity. Bears are using it as an opportunity to inject FUD into the system here. And so that's what I think is happening. I mean, all right, I just made a TikTok. There are some bullish things to pay attention to. Hash rate is recovering. So hash rate's on its way back up as the Chinese miners are trying to get back, get back online in different locations. And I'm sure there's certain regulatory things wherever they're going with that, but it's up about 29% from its bottom in early July. There's still more accumulation going on. People are still, the whales, the long-term holders, they are accumulating Bitcoin right now. They're not selling. So we have this interplay right now that I'm seeing between the bulls and the bears. And this next week and a half, I'm just very cautious right now. I could see us going down in the 20s. On Sunday, which is the biggest day for Grayscale unlocks, I could see that happening. I just think, as I've been saying for a while, that there are certain people, deep pockets, that see sub $30,000 Bitcoin and they're like, all right, time to buy. But we will see. You know, we spent 2 hours under $30,000 in June. I wouldn't be surprised if something similar happened this time around. So, Jimmy, you're welcome. Good morning as well. What else? You know, I haven't really, crypto Twitter. Not that I'm going to say that we're at the bottom. I'm not going to declare that we're at the bottom. I'm a little less confident about that, only because everyone else is so much less confident right now. You know, if there was somebody aside from, you know, I'm a big on-chain analyst when it comes to what I'm looking at as far as future price action. I'm more of that than I am with technical analysis. I think it's okay. I think it's a tool in the toolbox. It's not the only tool. I think a lot of people see it as the only tool, and I don't buy that. And so it seems like the only people who are bullish right now are the on-chain analysts. Willy Woo, William Clemente, I'm sure there's other ones. On-chain analysts are very bullish right now. People doing technical analysis, people in general who I would say probably let their emotions get the best of them, they're all bearish. And so I would say that, you know, there's a consensus amongst the so-called experts that we're going much lower. And when I say much lower, I mean like lower 20s. I don't buy it. I don't think so. But if so, you know, all right, let's say they're right. That's not a huge drop by crypto standards from here. Whereas if, the bullish potential, we lose what, a third if it goes down to lower 20s, a third of the price of Bitcoin, versus the potential to gain. Sorry about my kids. I know. And I'm not even looking at comments right now. I just know that you can hear them very well because of this microphone. Do I need a pop filter? I might need a pop filter. So what am I thinking? Oh, yeah. All right. Worst case, one third drop. I really think that would be worst case. I mean, I've seen somebody saying like, all right, it's going to go to 9,000 and then it's going to go to 100,000. And I'm like, you're insane. Versus the upward potential is we go back to the all-time high, a 100% increase. And I do believe that that's going to happen this year. And I would even say that a lot of the bears think that we're going to see all-time highs again in 2021. So it's just like waking up every day, navigating through the craziness short term. While most people, a large majority of people think that these days of misery, or whatever you want to call it, are coming to an end. So, okay, what else? Yeah, crypto Twitter. Let's see Twitter. I'm so professional with my Google page. Let's get a sampling of what I'm seeing on Twitter here. Inflation hedge. Yeah, here's a bearish Bitcoin post, I think. But then documenting Bitcoin is in general a bull. Let's see. Oh, a cute puppy. All right. I don't know. I'm taking a stab at this. Let's see. Pentoshi won't DM you. In a perfect world, nobody would be able to become a millionaire. Oh man. I don't even want to finish that one. I'm going to go live on TikTok. I'm just kind of gearing myself up. I went live with Pablo He-Man yesterday. Don't know if any of you caught that. He took me by surprise by calling into my live stream on TikTok. And we debated. And, I'll tell you, I'll be honest with you. He won. If you want to say was there a winner of the debate, like I would say my part and then he would interrupt me and then he'd go on for about 10 minutes in 100 different directions. And then I would try to process, and I never interrupted him. I tried to process everything that he was saying and try to address like the most important things. And then he'd interrupt me again. And it wasn't any kind of mean thing on his part. It's just like, I'm not used to being a debater, and next time if that happens, I will do a better job of fighting for her airtime, I suppose. But all right, let's say Pablo won. This isn't like a presidential debate. Trump versus Biden. All the Biden fans are going to say that Biden won whatever presidential debate. All the Trump people are going to say that Trump won. You can say that Pablo, I'll gladly say that Pablo won, but at the same time, it's like, we will see. He thinks that Bitcoin is going to go somewhere between $17,000 and $25,000. And he says it even with 90% certainty. And I've called him out on that stuff before. Like, all right, he said the words very likely in late May. He said these words, that Bitcoin was very likely going to go up to around $45,000 and then go down to about $20,000 to $25,000. And guess what happened? Neither of those things happened. And so now he's saying with 90% certainty that Bitcoin is going down to the low 20s. And it's like, are you sure you want to say with 90% certainty that when I called him out on that. I said he was wrong. I said whales love $30,000 Bitcoin. And as far as June is concerned, I was right. And I was saying that was for that window of time for late May, early June. And now he wants to extend it, I suppose. I mean, he did ask me if I think we're going down to the lower 20s. I said no. But we'll see. Maybe he's right. Maybe he's wrong. Maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. It's one of those things. But, you know, it doesn't matter who won the debate. You know, it matters what happens in the long run. So anyway, no new comments on YouTube, on the YouTube live stream, which means that I will be going live on TikTok here in a couple minutes. Whew. All right, got to get myself psyched up. Good morning, Jose Gonzalez. Good morning. All right, something is going to pop up on the screen here. I apologize for that. I am not the most professional streamer in the world. Oh, nothing popped up. Good. All right. So time to go on TikTok. Oh, right. Let me actually. All right, Jose, do you think ETH and Bitcoin will drop more will drop more the 18th? I think they will drop more. And yeah, I think they're going to drop, and that the 18th will either be the bottom or, all right. Actually, yeah, before I go live on TikTok, let's look at these grayscale unlocks here. And I'm trying to remember where I saw this, so I'm just going to have to pause this video here. Grayscale unlocks.
This week is not looking pretty for the lowdown of what I'm expecting to come. Look at this video right here, July 18th bottom.
All right, here we go. So this is day one of grayscale unlocks. About 2,000 Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, 2,000 grayscale shares are getting unlocked. And then a little more than 2,000, and then more like 4,000 on 2 days from now. Sunday, the 18th, is going to be the big day, 16,000 grayscale shares unlocked. But then Tuesday, the 20th, that's also pretty big, you know, about 9,000 grayscale shares unlocked. After that, you know, after Thursday of next week, it's like that's relatively minimal when it comes to unlocks. That's nothing. I mean, August 12th there is a moderate day, but like this is the last big month for grayscale unlocks. So is the bottom going to be, you know, bears are taking an opportunity to do stuff here. Is the bottom going to be that day of the biggest unlock, or is it going to be, you know, that Tuesday? Are we just going to kind of waft, or whatever the word is, until Tuesday, where we're going to have this decent size unlock as well, and then maybe after that it'll get better? Or, you know, some people are saying this is a bullish thing. But so will Bitcoin bottom out on Sunday? Will it bottom out on Tuesday? You know, I wish I could just go to sleep and wake up on next Thursday and check the price of Bitcoin and not have to live through this. I just think it's going to be a rocky week. Something else right in the middle of that, the 21st, is that Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk Bitcoin event, which some are looking at with bullish potential. What are they going to talk about? You know, I mean, Jack Dorsey, as you know, I'm sure, is a really big Bitcoin bull, and Elon Musk is a wild card. So if the two of them are getting together, that's more leaning bullish. People are saying that has the potential to be bullish. I can't wait for the day when Elon Musk has no effect on the stock market, or sorry, not on the stock market, on the I mean, he does have an effect on the stock market too. I don't really care about that, but on the crypto market, I am looking forward to that day. That day is not here yet. That day will come though. So it is what it is. Until then, oh my goodness. All right. Till then, buckle up. Not going to be a fun ride, I don't think. Could be, but I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, I got to plug in my lavalier. Where is my lavalier microphone? Bear with me for 1 second. I don't know where my lav is. Okay, I got it. Sounds good. Yep. Okay, going live in 3, 2, 1. VeChain to $1. Doge to $1. XRP will be flat until the SEC suit is over with. I'm just getting my lungs warmed up. Okay. Let me get set up here. Nope, not that. All right. I'm set up. So here we go. Good rising all. Do you think XRP will hit 50 cents this weekend? 50 cents. Where's XRP right now? You know what? Hey, what's up, crypto machinery? All right, XRP is at 61 cents. I would guess that it would flirt with the lower 50s, but not get to exactly 50 cents. So Grayscale, bro. Bitcoin, 27K Bitcoin very soon. It's possible. I don't disagree entirely. I think that's within the realm of possibility. So, Michael Marquez, not looking comfortable when Pablo was stocking all of that stuff. Stocking? Hey, you know what, Michael? I will say Pablo, if you want to say who won that debate, it's like, I let Pablo do a lot of the talking, and he interrupted me when I talked. And so, yeah, he won. But the fact of the matter is that this isn't like a presidential debate. It's like, we will see who was right. And, if I looked uncomfortable, it is what it is. It's hot in the room that I'm in. There's no ventilation. So that didn't contribute to it. So am I bullish on XRP for the end of July? Yeah. No, I'm not. Sorry. No, I'm not bullish on XRP until that SEC suit is over. Hey, the more you know. Any Gen 4 cryptos besides Radix DLT? I really haven't looked into that. So thank you, K Danica. I mean, people can say what they want. Did you look into OceanX token yet? No, but I'm going to do a research day this Friday. So, yeah, all theoretical at the moment. Thank you. Yep. Would you keep Bitcoin after you die? Why do people keep asking me that question? You're the same person who's been asking me that question, isn't it? Aren't you? All right, I'm not going to answer that question anymore. I have kids. I want to give them an inheritance, and I want to position myself to the point where I don't need to sell my Bitcoin. And I could just die, and have Bitcoin still. Thoughts on XLM? I mean, over the long run, I'm bullish. Yeah. So, all right, Doge is dead. I don't care. Good. I hope Doge is dead. I don't think it is, but all right. Do I have any idea when the real SEC suit is going to be over? No, not that I know of. So, thank you. I think somebody subscribed to my YouTube. Head over to my YouTube channel. I am live on YouTube. I have a new microphone. That microphone is for YouTube, not for TikTok. So am I buying quant at the current price? What's quant at? I will buy more quant when it's like in the 50s, if it gets to the 50s. But right now I'm not buying quant, I don't think. So, all right. 728.21 XRP on Coinbase. Oh, I hope so. I haven't heard anything about that. Have I heard anything about Rick getting hacked? Who's Rick? 16 want to retire at 25. Wow. Okay. I don't know. I mean, that's an ambitious goal. All right. Quant's holding strong at 73. All right. Just accumulate, work your butt off, live frugally. Don't eat fast food, just accumulate the more you know. Pablo was talking stuff yesterday. What do you mean? Just like you think he was talking around the circle? Like he was very hard to keep up with. So it's like he went on so many tangents. It is what it is. I like Pablo. I mean, people think that I'm his enemy. I'm not. I like Pablo. I like him a lot. He's a really smart guy. So got some QNT today. I might have overpaid, but I'm a holder now. Okay. All right, great. On research day, please, could you look at Bird Money? All right, 24/7 Anon. I'm going to make a TikTok announcing that I'm going to take a research day, and I'm going to prioritize the ones, like, I'm going to suggest that people make, hey, say something like, all right, you want me to look up Bird? If that has the most likes as to things I'll look up, I'm going to look up the ones that have the most likes in the comment section of that video. Been waiting to buy ETH. Should I wait a little more? Not necessarily. You know, it's under $2,000. I'd buy a little now, but like if I had $1,000, I'd buy like $50 today. So Pablo only talking when he wins, but he when loses, that guy stays silent. All right, whatever. You know, how long before ETH starts coming back? I think the next 7 to 10 days are going to be rough. So good morning, Garden of Evil. Good morning. All right, YouTube. I am live on YouTube. I'm going to be able to answer every question there or comment. So will SEC affect other cryptos? Very much likely. It's very likely that the SEC will affect other cryptos. It's a matter of when. What's up, Umberto? Yeah, I guess so. I don't know what happened with my microphone yesterday, but yeah, it looks like it's fixed. All right, let's see. STMX, what do you think? I'm not paying attention to it, sorry. Good morning, Alex. Where should I invest anything in $1 altcoins right now? Oh, Suchi. No, I mean, you know, if there's something that you have your eyes on, just dollar cost average your way in. I just think the next 10 days are going to be rough. All right, so by July 28th, is that official? Because that's awesome for XRP. That XRP will be on Coinbase. So, all right, Rick Rahim. What about Rick Rahim? I like Rick Rahim. So, EOS not on my radar all that much. I mean, I know that it's down today, or it's been down pretty much a lot lately. So, you know, maybe buy the dips. I don't know. Buy ETH DCA, yeah. What do I do for work? I'm semi-retired. I run a grocery distribution business. Chainlink, I'm very bullish on Chainlink. Very bullish on it. So. Left ear only, maybe check the stream settings. Umberto, I'll do that. I don't want to mess anything up, but I'll do that next time. Thanks for the heads up. How long would you wait to buy Bitcoin? You know, I'm in favor of buying Bitcoin every day. Buy a little bit every day. So, but, you know, if you want to try to time it, I would say like Sunday to Tuesday, something like that. Some people have been wanting to do lives with Pablo and can't get a hold of him. Yeah, he did. He called into my live stream. So it is what it is, you know? I mean, it's all good. I'd love to talk with him again. You know, I'd be happy. Let's say he's right and he wants to shove it in my face. I'll still talk to him. I'll be happy to. What's up with TLM? Everything dipping except TLM. That seems to be bullish. I don't know really all that much about TLM. But there's some other things that are bullish. So ADA for the win, right? I mean, in general, yeah. Invested in URNK when it was 17K, sold when it was 85, waiting to rebuy back in. Good call. You don't think the Elon debate will pump the market? No, I think it could, for sure. When did you start? I started in 2013. Alpha, Matic and Graph are good under $1 coins. Yeah, oh, definitely Matic. I forgot that it was under $1. So. Have you ever done the lottery drawing and pancake swap? Yes, Ryan, I did, and I regretted it. It's like, oh, there's $50 down the drain. I didn't win anything, and yeah. So, Rick Rahim got his bot's website hacked. Oh, I did not know that. No, Sambo, I actually enjoyed talking with Pablo. So, and there were plenty of things that I thought about after we debated. That it's like, no, Pablo. The thing that really it didn't irk me from yesterday, but it was one of those things that after we talked about it, like he has this assumption that Bitcoin, that the fundamentals of Bitcoin have changed to where it's not like this sure thing anymore. And I would disagree with him on that. So I would have challenged him on that. Yeah, Chainlink to 1K in coming years. I think so. Yeah. Yep. TLM. I don't know anything about TLM. Any hope I'm Doge? Yeah, eventually, but it's going to be a while. Why does ETH and Doge mirror each other? Everything's following Bitcoin's lead. So, hey, what's up, Tom? Handle it like a boss. Thank you. Thank you. He won. And I let him win because I didn't interrupt him, and I let him talk for those 10-minute rants. Not rants, but yeah, buy Bitcoin and ETH all the time, DCA. Yeah. Any more waffle and laptop views of charts? That's hilarious. Word mobile token, nothing. I have 4,088 and working on getting more. Do you think that's decent? Yeah, for sure. How much did you invest at the beginning when you started with crypto? Not a ton. I saw comments while we were live streaming, while I was live streaming with Pablo. Basically, that's funny. So I could have invested a lot more, but it was between investing in crypto or starting a business, and I chose to start a business. I would be much wealthier if I invested in crypto at the time, but listen, I mean, I'm semi-retired. You know, I'm doing just fine. So thank you, Sambo. Thank you so much. You've been very encouraging. Hello, Tom Van Brussel. Matic to $5. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Bitcoin's a great long-term hold. Buying Bitcoin GBP pair was $3,000 cheaper. 2,000. Yeah, I've heard somebody also mentioned that on my YouTube live stream, which I am live on YouTube right now. Hop on over there. But I really don't know what to say about that. So yeah, Flex Eats, I said that's a good idea. What Elon debate are you talking about? I don't know if it's a debate. It's an event. Elon and Jack Dorsey on the 21st. So should I take my crypto elsewhere other than Binance since they blocked GBP withdrawals? I think so, Tom. Yeah. I didn't think it was a win or lose debate. I thought it was a great answer. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think it's better to start a business first, and that way your wealth doesn't depend on crypto market. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I mean, yeah, I agree with that. I don't think Doge is dead. Yeah, Tom, I really am liking Crow. I like it a lot more now than I did a month ago at this time. So, yeah, Umberto, that's a good investment strategy for sure. All right. Litecoin, drop it. The creative Litecoin dropped all his coins. You know, in general, Litecoin will perform well with the market, but that is absolutely 100% not a long-term hold for me. Not at all. So ride it and then dump it. Pablo is saying 20K because last time we dropped 3x, he thinks it will happen again. Last time we dropped 3x. Okay, I'm not following that. RSR, don't know enough. Sorry. Ricky, thank you so much. So many WW. Oh, my goodness. All right, Sambo. Yeah, I still need to look into that. Holy Crystal Batman, you are spot on. You are spot on. He predicted that Bitcoin was going to, at the end of May, that it was going to go up to 45K and then drop down to 20 to 25K. Neither of those things happened. So, you know, but people still think he's like this from the future. Best mobile app for buying and selling, I'd say Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. NKN, I don't have any NKN, so it's not really on my radar. So, when do I think Doge will start to climb? In the fall. Why is Big Boy all of a sudden pushing XRP? Oh, BitBoy? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, he claims to have some insider information. I disagree with him that it's going to be $36 at the end of the year. That's ridiculous. All right, so I see what you're saying. Last bull run, we dropped 3x from the all-time high before going on. The difference between this time and last time is that we had this massive blow off top where the price of Bitcoin doubled in a week. We didn't have that this time. And that's what I've been saying to most people who are thinking that it's going down to like the teens. It's like, no. All right, how about Chainlink now? We know 60% of coins are held by so few. Crypto Weatherman made a great video about that yesterday. I watched it and I agree with him. Check out his video, Crypto Weatherman. Bitcoin hit 17K in 2018, I think, and then tumbled all the way down to, it went 3K, Umberto. It went down to 3K. So do you think XRP will go up until in the next few months? I think it's going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. Do you think we're going to trade sideways for the next few weeks? I think July is going to be a flat month, and then August will be okay. And then September, October, November, those will be really good months. All right, the referral code again, A as in Apple, L as in Larry, E as in Elephant, 749. Any good side hustle suggestions? I mean, I Ubered a few years ago. I thought it was great money. Friday nights, Saturday nights, I was making like $30 an hour, and that was good. So, Carly, thank you. I do think he's smarter than me, honestly. I just, I don't know. So, is there any way I can roll my 401k into Bitcoin? Keto Crush, I really don't know. I think you'd have to cash out, which, costs you that 20%, which not financial advice. BitBoy is paid from Ripple in some way. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. VET, I think I'm very bullish on VET. I love VET to $1 this cycle. So Theta's on sale. Yeah. All right. BitBoy comments. Did you buy any XRP? No, I hold some. I've had some for a while. I have like $10,000 worth, I think. Oh, man. Umberto. I see your comment there. That's a bummer. Yeah, you know what? My wife told me to buy a whole Bitcoin this past summer when it was around $10,000. And I was like, no, you sweet summer child. I'm going to dollar cost average my way in. And all that time, it shot up to 20,000. I was still dollar cost averaging. So is Bitcoin still going to 20K, 200K in March 2022? I think it's going around that area in around that time. So yes. Do you own Doge as well? Not going to sell. I own some, but I sold a lot of it. I sold a lot of it at the peak. I did say yesterday Bitcoin will drop. I mean, I'm saying Bitcoin will drop. So, all the grayscale unlocks coming out this week. What's up, Smiles? Binance is manipulating the market so whales can buy it all. I mean, eventually they'll stop being able to manipulate it down. So, all right, sorry. This is going way too fast. Thoughts on Rick's statement about being able to make millions in just a few years using his bots? I hope he's right. I'm willing to test it out, but I'm not going to take him for that. There are a lot of good buy opportunities right now, don't you think? In general, yeah. Predictions aside, Pablo has great insight in TA. I learned a lot yesterday. Yeah, I mean, listen, I've been saying I like Pablo. People in this comment section are saying like, hey, what's up, Jared? Yeah, choppy morning in the markets. People are saying more negative things about Pablo than I am, so... Would you purchase Matic around 95 cents? I think that's a good buying price. Under $1, yeah. ETH end of year like 5,000. Could Quant reach 10K in the next 5 years if it survives? I think so. I think that's possible. If you're going to if you're going to make me say declaratively yes or no, I would say no. But I think it is possible. Yeah, 14 million supply. Very few actual holders of Quant right now. I saw this Crypto Mason video. The amount of people who actually own Quant is insanely low. XDC thoughts. I like XRP. I'm not insane with it. I like XLM. I like XLM more than XRP, and so I like XDC as well. So Cardano moonshot coming. We'll see about August. It could be a good month for Cardano. I think with crypto exchanges more accessible than ever, prior historical trends may not be the same. Yeah, I agree with you too, Dude Golfing. Yep. I don't think we're going to see, for Bitcoin at least, I don't think we're going to see any of those like obvious blow off tops. I think it's going to be like what happened in April and May, from February to May, where it was just a rounded top, Wait to roll your 401k to a crypto ETF when they are created in the US. And that's not a bad idea, Sambo. Yeah, Pablo is a knowledgeable person. He doesn't like to be challenged, but you made more sense. Okay, thank you. I know I saw people in his live stream saying I was trash, so it depends on what your preferences are. Have you been able to take a deeper look into dogeworld.finance? No, sorry. I just, any cryptocurrency that people want me to look up or platform or anything like that, it takes me hours. And so I constantly get requests to look into things. Ceiling for Bitcoin 10-year. All right, let me give you my general opinion. I think this bull run, this cycle, it's going to be a 10x from the previous top, which puts it around $200,000. Next cycle, I think it's going to be a 5x from that top, and then the next cycle after that, a 2.5x, and then a 1.25x, things like that. So that would put 10 years from now, Bitcoin around somewhere between $1 million and $2.5 million. End of the year prediction for Matic and Cardano. Matic. I just think most cryptos are going to be a little bit higher than their all time highs in at the end of the year, or I should say their 2021 highs. So anime looked like a blow off top on the combined alt chart. Is it possible, since alts don't exist as independently from Bitcoin pairings last bull run as they do now, that the blow off top is in the alt chart instead? Yeah, anime. I am fully in agreement with that. Like I made a video on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Subscribe. I made a video on my YouTube channel about the things that you should look for with market cycle tops, and the thing that I said was misplaced euphoria. Instead of this Bitcoin euphoria, that we would have some kind of euphoria somewhere else. This time around, we could definitely say that Ethereum had a period of euphoria. Darren, yes, he did jump between 100 different subjects, and that Dogecoin absolutely had euphoria. So next time this happens, I am going to be looking for some kind of euphoria somewhere, but not with Bitcoin. So, all right, sorry, I am 28 comments behind. I'm going back down to the bottom. Quant end of July, $75. I don't think Quant's going to do like anything crazy. It's going to consolidate for a while and then go higher. All right, so I missed everything. I am responding to every question or comment on my YouTube channel. I am live right now, and I will respond to everything there. Any feels about FET or API 3? No, really nothing, Darren. I haven't looked into it. So, opinion on AVAX and Neo, please. I don't use AVAX. I'm not like on their platform. Everything that I've seen, I'm very interested. So will Ethereum hit 1700? Maybe a little higher than 1700. Thank you, Ricky Lynn. Yeah, I love the blockchain boy. Can you hear me on YouTube? Can you hear me? I'm assuming you can. So, all right, I'm going back to the bottom here. So, for example, Visa Swift Tech. The blockchain technology behind crypto is great. Would be way better without tokens. You might be right, but we're here with you for the growing pains rather now than later. Go Hulk to fix all these issues. Hulk? Yeah, could not hear me on YouTube. Yeah, I changed my microphone. So, yeah, Smiles, not even 18th of July, and the market's going down. Yeah, you know, this is the first day of Grayscale unlocks, so that could be it. Time to switch to Theta. That's funny. Still live on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok's not the problem. It's YouTube. I am live on YouTube. Better viewing experience from what I understand. I meant to ask you to give me a price prediction on H-bar by the end of the year, end of 2022. End of the year, like 35 cents or something. End of 2022, I think it'll peak around $2 or so. But who knows? So, all right. What's up with Dogecoin? It's going to be flat for a while. What's the Grayscale unlocks? Check out my 2 most recent TikToks. FTM, very interested in FTM. Jimmy Smith says no audio. Can you guys hear me on YouTube? Very bullish on FTM. How about I just say that? Doge is a dog. Safe Moon, that rocket and that Elon to the moon. Okay, whatever. You're welcome, King Kush. Yeah, will do. Thank you. Yeah. Himalaya crypto token. Are you shilling your token? Good luck with that. All right, audio now, yes. Okay. I own a lot of XRP on Bitmart, and I've never cashed out, but there's issues with cashing out. I don't know about Bitmart. I have not ever cashed out on Bitmart. I have like $1,000 worth of crypto on Bitmart. I've never tried to cash out. You could transfer. I'm sure you could transfer out of there. So... Good morning, Mark Anthony. Ethereum. I mean, I don't know what you want to know. I mean, I'm very, very bullish on Ethereum. So, you said don't buy till Sunday to Tuesday. I mean, for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I would always say to buy a little bit, but what would you buy then? It depends on where Bitcoin is. If Bitcoin goes under $30,000, I will be a heavy buyer of alts. If it stays at $30,000, I don't see any reason for it to go down to the low 20s. So I'll probably, load up on really a lot of things. On Bitcoin, Ethereum, load up on some more cake. Definitely some Chainlink. So, yeah, the scams behind all these tokens, I'm totally with you on that whole lot of cap. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Fry? All right. Neo looks cheap considering Neo 3.0 will be out soon. Not really on my radar, but good to know. When do you think the top peak will be on this cycle? Like early to mid 2022. Wish I would have started today instead of April. Oh man, Council of 5. Yeah. I mean, lots of people are feeling that way. I feel for you guys. HODL, roger that. Luna or VET at the end of the year. Luna, $20 or so. VET, 35 cents, something like that. Load up is right. Yep. Thoughts on VeChain and Algorand end of cycle? VeChain to $1, Algorand like $5 to $7. Hey, what's up, Cape for Girl? FTM stakes at 5 to 10%. All right. 100% Alex. Yeah. Downturns are opportunities. Bear markets make you wealthy. How does the ATM work? Anime, I've not used an ATM for Bitcoin. I'm sorry. Are you buying alt or Bitcoin? Right now, I would only buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. And thank you, user 418. Thank you so much. But after this weekend, I'm probably just going to put the rest of my fiat that I have sitting on exchanges, or rest of my stable coins into alts, or into Bitcoin. So yeah, how much of this dip is pre-priced in, regardless of what happens with the unlock? It might be. I mean, we've just kind of been bleeding out slowly over time, technically fundamental. So we'll see. Yeah, people do ask the same questions every day. Yeah. Safety Ninja, best for $3,000 investment. Sorry. Bitcoin and Ethereum, at least half of that, and then I don't know, like Solana, Quant, HBAR, Chainlink, Theta, Maker, Matic, Hazleton, Theta to 100, I think so. Cardano, bullish in general on Cardano. How long can you see the cake staking staying above 100%? Not much longer, Matthew. It will slowly go down over time, and probably like within a month, it's probably going to be under 100%. But still, I mean, even 20% staking is amazing. So I will gladly stake my cake. Don't use Bitcoin ATM. I seen someone deposit 14K. They got a 3.5K fee. Oh my goodness. Yeah, never would want to do that. Safety Ninja, I just answered your question. Mostly Bitcoin and Ethereum, but definitely spread it out. Solana, Quant, bullish on VET. Yes, absolutely. Geniuses equals owns the ATMs to buy Bitcoin. You know anything about geniuses? Yeah, maybe. What is the Bitcoin bottom? Lower 30s, upper 20s. When do you think ETH will start to recuperate? Sometime when Bitcoin recuperates. So don't you ever think who's on the other side of your loan and how solvent they are? Yes. Do you like SNX? I do. Yeah. XRP EOY depends on the SEC suit. Am I just buying and hodling now? I'm mostly hodling. So Floki, nothing. I don't know anything about Floki. Do you have any limited orders set, and if so, what amount? Man, I'm sure I do. I set some limit orders a long time ago. I think, I actually set a limit order. Now that I think about it, I set a limit order for Bitcoin at 25.5K. That was like way back in May, and it hasn't filled, and I might need to just, undo that limit order, or it might have already expired. So Pablo He-Man thinks Bitcoin will crash to 23.5K. Huh. Yeah, I never heard that before. I'm being sarcastic. I live streamed with Pablo for about 2 hours yesterday, so I know plenty about his thoughts. Yeah, I do like T-Fuel. I think you should invest a lot in Ethereum, yes. Shorting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and buying BTC 3S, 3 short. Okay. HNT, I am really in on helium miners. So HNT, I'm bullish on it. And they're having a halving coming up. So SLP, nothing, sorry. Shiba Inu to Ascent, I do not think so. Where will Bitcoin be in December? Like 80,000 is my guess. Why SLP go up? I have no idea. Bitcoin price prediction for next year around $200,000. Worth selling a few ETH and wait for the dip. I don't play that game. If you want to do that, good luck. So guess what's up 27% today? I'm thinking you're talking about Hex. And so, hey, I'm happy about that. 251, good morning, y'all. All right. VThor, I like VChain, so I like VThor. Argo, nothing. So amazing. Coins hard to pick, yeah. Pablo's so negative, all it really does is, and has he really sold all his coins? No, I don't think he has, actually. I think he actually has just bought some like Bitcoin down type things. Quant's a beast. Don't you think the bear market will be on October? No, not at all. Bear market will be in October? I mean, I think we're in a bear market now. Matic Cardano, what about him? I'm bullish in general, so I assume he knows his stuff, but I just don't buy it. Surprised I didn't hear dead cat. I think he actually did say dead cat bounce when we were streaming together yesterday. My eyes might have rolled into the back of my head. Yeah, Fry, man. Pablo called into my live stream, and we talked for about 2 hours. It was not enjoyable in some regards. So, VChain going up, yeah. Do you feel like ETH has a higher upside than Bitcoin? Perhaps. Yeah. If you had an extra $1,000 right now, what would you invest in? Still just Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, thoughts on the graph and injective protocol? They're not really on my radar all that much. I don't have any thoughts. I don't have any price predictions. So, is it posted anywhere I can watch? I thought about posting it on YouTube. Fry, we all lost brain cells. I would say if you're gonna declare a winner of the debate, like we debated a little bit, I would say that, that I think he won. But this isn't like a presidential debate where everything is subjective. It's like we'll see who's right. So I'll be just fine. What's your outtake on your live with Pablo yesterday? There were a lot of things I wish I would have said. I mean, he's ready to straight up just be like, Bitcoin might not be what we thought it was. And I'm like, no. I'm thinking through this as I'm processing it. Like, we are still very, very early on Bitcoin. I have not looked at Aave recently, no. Thoughts on SHIB? It's going to be flat for a while. Just bought 3 ETH. Alex won. Okay. I've written before, have tons of AMP, better to go with coins with large market cap, or I don't even know what I don't even know what the market cap for AMP is. I do prefer larger market cap cryptos in general, so not crypto, but any thoughts on MMAT? No idea. Yeah, I have plenty of Crow. I am very excited about it. XRP, $8 to $10 this cycle. How do you feel about Wells Fargo? Yeah, the personal line of credits, that's very concerning. We'll see if there's some kind of credit crunch. If this continues in Wells Fargo, I mean, if they were to do business lines of credit, I would be terrified about where everything is going. The stock market, crypto, all of that. Yeah, his goal is to short Bitcoin. Maybe. ETH drop under 1,900. When would you start buying again? I mean, I'd buy like 5%. If I had $1,000, I'd buy like $50 worth today. If it goes under 1,900, I'd buy like another 100. If it were to go to low 1,900s, maybe another 100, something like that. What would need to happen for you to say that we are in the bear market? I don't know. I mean, maybe like if we were to continue like this the rest of the year and see nothing moving up. Like, I don't really care. Like, if Bitcoin went down to to $15,000, I would still not say that we are in the bear market. But it's more of a time thing. It's more of like, how long will this drag out? If it drags out to January 1st, then I would say, okay, maybe we are in the bear market. But even then, I'd be a little skeptical. Paid Australian bear. Your username should be WWBTC versus ETH 2.0. That's funny. Solana and DOT, very bullish on those. Great reset. Yeah. Am I starting to like Shiba? Not really. Via Coin, no, I haven't really researched into it. So buy levels for Bitcoin and ETH, I don't really have one. I mean, I set some limit order for 25.5 for Bitcoin, and I don't think that's going to get filled. So thank you. I love you too, Bob. BitBoy NFT on Theta. Have you seen? No. But cool. Thank you, Peace Ableness. Thank you so much. Good morning, Princess Nessa. Isn't this more of a reset to pre-pandemic numbers? Pre-pandemic? Like 8,000? I really highly doubt that. But, man, got to stay humble, I suppose. Google to allow crypto ads. Really? That's some news that I haven't heard. Anime, thank you. Yeah, hit the like button. Smash up that like button. I am live on YouTube right now. Oh, man. Bitcoin open in El Salvador, September 12th. All right. V price predictions. VeChain, $1 this cycle. What's the problem with Shiba? It's a meme coin, and it will remain a meme coin until I declare that it's not. Until I declare. That's a joke. Can Ethereum Classic go below $40? It could. I mean, yeah, absolutely it could. It's at $40.07 right now. Of course it can. All right, good time to add more alts or wait for Bitcoin to drop a little more. I'd say wait a little bit. Wait until around Sunday. I just really want to see what happens with these 16,000 grayscale unlocks that are coming on Saturday. Great live yesterday with Pablo. Thank you. Yep. Google banned crypto in 2018, and now there's ads. Fantastic. Hey, M, what's up? Yep, still going. AMP has a larger market cap than Compound, but it's only 5 cents. Yeah, that's why I don't pay attention to the coin price. I pay attention to the market cap. So, Mana thoughts. I mean, let's see. No. How about no? I'm just going to say I'm bullish. Bitcoin was adopted in El Salvador for illegal traz. What? It was epic. Thank you, Princess Nessa. Thank you so much. Educational Live with Pablo, but don't argue with bears. Okay. You know, one day I'm going to be a bear. I am not a permabull. There will come a day when I'm a bear. And so I hope you listen to me when I become a bear. Great debate with Pablo. Thank you. Thank you, Jackson. Bitcoin will keep dipping around 28, 29K until next moon. Oh, next month. Maybe early next year. I hope you're wrong. But wasn't Bitcoin a meme coin? No. All right. Sorry for the millionth time that this question has been asked. Where can I buy right now? XRP? Yes. Uphold. Yeah. KuCoin and Uphold. Same boat. Yeah. Starting August 3rd in U.S. wallets, crypto on Google. It's better. It's more lucrative to be a bear. People trust you more when you're a bear. But I'm gonna be a bear when I think I should be a bear. Like bears, this is a pet peeve of mine. People who are more negative are looked at as more trustworthy and smarter and wiser than people who are positive. That's a game that I'm not willing to play. I would have twice as many TikTok followers right now if I was a bear. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to be a bear unless I should be a bear. So XRP soon too on Coinbase. That's what I hear. Yeah. The more popular a coin is, the more its value, right? Shiba is very popular. I'm thinking wrong, please. I just don't care. I mean, the thing with Shiba is how new it is. And it got up to 18th in market cap. You know? So it's like anything that rises that quickly, it's still a meme coin. Time. It needs time. And it needs more functions. So, yeah, thank you, Dirty Jays. Banning Bitcoin will make it more valuable. It's like telling a kid no. It's basically a dare. Yeah, I'm with you on that, Anime. When India said they were banning Bitcoin, so much money flooded into the markets. That's right. Yep. Alliance block, nothing. Sorry. Yeah, ETH and Ethereum Classic are dropping. Yep. Thank you, Crypto Crushers. Thank you so much. And people think he's like God or something. I like Pablo. So look him up on TikTok. He makes interesting videos. How about DGB being exposed for not having a hard cap? I did not know that. That's really interesting. All right, greedy when others are greedy. The opposite. Fearful when others are greedy. AXS, I really don't have any thoughts. Cardano, I've talked a lot about Cardano. I'm bullish in general, but I just don't think it should be worth $40 billion. But here we are. It's worth $40 billion. What's the minimum for the next few weeks, do you think? In the 30,000 range or even upper 20s. So, XRP, what about it? Flat until the SEC suit is over. Guayo20, I don't have an Uphold promo code. If anyone has one that they want to share, Always greedy. That's funny. So if anyone wants to share an Uphold code, be my guest. Pablo was an investor for big bank, starts with an M. Merrill Lynch? I really don't know. M. Morgan? JP Chase? I'm on the edge of my seat right now. I'm riveted. I am live on YouTube for those of you on TikTok. Head on over to YouTube. Where's the best to buy 1K of ETH? I would say Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. Do I have a FINRA license? Nope, I do not. So this is not financial advice. Crypto crashing this month when? If it crashes, in my opinion, it's going to be around the 18th. 18th to 20th. If not, then I don't believe it's going to crash. Imagine how big Cardano would be when smart contracts come, if it's already big now without. That's a good point, Jackson. I mean, it is. It's like a growth stock. It's like a Tesla. You know, you buy Tesla because of the potential of Tesla being, I don't know, yeah, being what it could be. And I think that's the same thing with Cardano. Sorry, I was reading other comments while I was processing that response. Got to get familiar with Terra DeFi space. I will eventually. I wish I had more time. Yeah, crypto people, why 18th? Grayscale unlocks. I made a TikTok. It's like the 10th or 11th most recent TikTok that I made about the Grayscale unlocks coming. So what would you do if Bitcoin goes parabolic right this second? It isn't, but what would you do? I'd be happy. I don't know. I wouldn't sell any of it. I wonder what will happen on Elizabeth Warren's July 28th deadline. Yeah, what authority does she have? I'm still wondering about that. You know, but after July 28th, maybe that's a good thing. You know, maybe July 28th we'll just have this looming threat not hanging over our heads. Started when I couldn't buy it anywhere else. What's the best miner in my opinion? I don't mind all that much. No, technically fundamental. I haven't started using Uphold. No. How do you dollar cost average smartly? I don't know. Yeah. Sorry, I missed a lot of comments on YouTube here. So let me catch up here. Started when I couldn't buy it anywhere else. Coinbase will list it from what I heard, but probably after the SEC suit. Yeah. Somebody's saying at the end of July it's going to be listed on Coinbase. Prediction for Bitcoin and ETH bottoms during the July 28th range you mentioned. Thomas, I would say low 30s, like 30, a little above 30,000, or, you know, like 30,500 or something, or maybe even under 30,000, but not low 20s. So double tap for algorithm. YouTube chat is popping today. Eric Davidson, what's up, man? Didn't the unlocks begin today? Quanta Beast. Unlocks began today, yeah. It's just, yeah, a larger amount is happening on the 18th. The most of it is happening on the 18th. Definitely check out my most recent TikTok. Bitcoin going to 20K. I disagree. It's hard to make valuations on things that haven't come out yet. Yeah. Am I okay with leaving in my ETH for now? I mean, I'm holding my ETH for years, so I'd recommend it, but as much authority as you have to speak about crypto. I mean, I don't claim to have any authority, but, you know, I hope that people listening to me, that it'll go well for them. I don't even know what you're referring to. Polygon should be worried it's dropping, or should we buy? I think Polygon under $1 is a good price, but it could go lower for sure. Atmos, I don't know about Atmos. Yeah, low 20s, all the bears calling it out, yeah. I tried a whole lot of cap. I try to read all the comments. It's not easy sometimes, but rumor of Coinbase relisting XRP, reflection of anticipation of XRP win. It could be. So I am, during this live stream, I am just now hearing about Coinbase possibly relisting XRP. I haven't looked into it at all. I haven't been able to because of this live stream, but I'll look into that and give some thoughts for sure. That would be great. Will Robinhood ever that you store crypto? I mean, from what I understand, they're moving in that direction. If I understand what you're talking about, you can buy quant on Coinbase. Atmos, I don't know what Atmos is. You should use your business to buy Bitcoin like all these other institutions. I'm kind of doing that, you know. Get some Matic today. Hey, what's up? Makes it happen. Sometime, yeah. I mean, like I've been telling people, if you have $1,000 and you have a crypto that you have your eyes on, buy like $50 worth today, like 5%. Really interesting because unlocks began today, and also Bitcoin seems to be going low today. I mean, that's what I've been talking about, Jackson. Yeah, I mean, unlocks began, so who knows? BitBoy Crypto is a dodgy con man, right or wrong? Both. Sometimes, you know, he seems like a smart guy. Seems like he knows his stuff, but it's clear to me that his biggest seems like he just wants to make money. That's probably his biggest incentive, and he's making lots of money. So Bitcoin broke the cage. It must be going under 30, maybe. All right. Is it smart to gobble up some crow or wait till under 9 cents? Same answer that I just gave about Matic. Wanting to buy ETH, should I wait? Will it go down below 1700? I could see it going in the 1700s, but again, it's the same thing. If you like 5%, whatever you have that you're willing to put into crypto, I'd say about 5% today. XRP end of July, no predictions. I need to really look into this Coinbase news. Massive 62 million purchase of XRP linked to Coinbase. Okay. All right. Pablo said you don't need a computer science degree. My BF has 2 CS degrees. Makes no difference. Okay. No one knows what the future holds. Yeah. If you have a Coinbase account, do you need to sign up again? Or for a Coinbase Pro account? I don't think you need to sign up again. I think I don't actually have a Coinbase Pro account because I don't use it all that much. So good morning, Fernando. What do you mean by unlocks? I'm not going to take the time to explain it right now because I don't think if I did that you would really understand it all that much more. There is somebody. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just going to bail on that question. So BitBoy picks whatever coin pays him the most to push. That's funny. Good morning, Nicholas. Do you think there will be another bull run on the cards? Yes, I certainly do. Do you believe in Dogecoin? No, I don't. I have some, but I don't believe in it. Like Pablo, but the live with you was not a real back and forth. Yeah, A. Brown, it wasn't. Like he did a large majority of the talking. He would, and then, you know, I spoke for a minute, and then he would interrupt me. I hope we do it again because I'm just not going to let him do that this time. So. Will ETH hit 4,300 soon again? I would say more like November, December, something like that. You're welcome, Kara. What does your analytics says? I could see it going down to the 30s or down under 30s, Rehan. I just, you never know. Where would you put 200K? The answer isn't dollar amount, it's percentages. I'd put like half of that, 25% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and then spread out the rest. Solana, Chainlink, Matic, Theta, Maker. I'm sure there's others that I'm just not thinking about right now. Unlock has to do with Grayscale, yes. Pablo didn't answer any of your questions, kept speaking in circles and digressing. That's funny. But, people on Pablo's live stream were pro Pablo, so. Yeah, Tornacci, that's probably true. Pablo had a lot of personal attacks as on the defense majority of the time. I threw in some jabs. I don't know if you guys caught that. I made fun of him in a very like friendly way about all the crap coins that he's been pushing, telling him that I hope he doesn't get banned from TikTok because of the new TikTok rules. But yeah, A Brown, yeah. Thank you, Nessa. I try. Look, I don't try to act like I'm an expert. I don't try to act like I know it all, because I don't. And some people still claim that I act like a know-it-all, and I'm like, dude, come on. Thank you, Sambo. I mean, all right, does Pablo have an agenda? A part of me thinks he does. Yeah, who's Pablo? He's really huge on TikTok, Umberto. Pablo He-Man. He's on TikTok. Thank you, Holy Crystals Batman. And he's got like 600,000 followers. People treat him like he's God. Begin Crypto, I see you, man. Yeah, I'm sure it's not his real name. No, Crypto People. I like Pablo, but if he has an agenda, fine. What's my agenda? I have an agenda. It's to make more money with crypto, I guess. I don't know. Rehan. All right, there's this guy on YouTube, Rehan. I really want to address him. Some of whatever he says turns out to be true. Like what? Give me an example of something that he said aside from that one thing. That time that he predicted that he copied that 4chan post and said that Bitcoin would go to 2930K. Aside from that, what has he said that's true? No, twin Lily Star, whatever. You can believe what you want to believe. But I like Pablo. I think he's a smart guy. What I don't like about Pablo is not actually Pablo himself. Read the comments in his videos. People worship the guy. And I'm like, you guys are idiots. You're idiots. You should not be worshiping him. There's been plenty that he's been wrong about. So if you worship Pablo, you're an idiot. I will gladly call you that. Timing is everything in predictions. He's always off. Was Pablo really an investment banker? I mean, he seems to be doing well. So, shout out to Elon Musk and $5 gas prices. 85% right. ETH is at 1,800 last month. Did he predict that ETH would go to 1,800? Bitcoin going down? I mean, yeah, looks like it. Michael Burry's, there's another one. I mean, he called the housing crash and people worship the ground he walks on, and he's been wrong a lot since then. Thank you, Nicholas. Okay, I mean, ETH 1,800, is that really that bold of a prediction? You've stopped serving him up theories. Do you think Bitcoin will drop below 30K? It's definitely within the realm of possibility. He was, but he got fired? Okay, I'm not messing with that. Always wrong. No, he's right sometimes. Yeah, Pablo's a source of information. That's right. He really gives some really interesting information, so. Oh my good. All right, Twin Lily, I'm blocking you. You're being annoying. I'm not bashing anybody. You're claiming something that's not true. Goodbye, Crypto Lily, whatever, Twink Lily Star. I can't stand it when people do stuff like that. Yeah, I'm trying to be balanced. I mean, there's good and bad, and all you're hearing is the bad. He called the housing crash for 2006, so he was wrong by 2 years. Yeah. If you make enough predictions, you're bound to be right sooner or later. All right, WWBTC t-shirt. Do you think Dorsey Musk will be bullish? I think it's just going to be something. I don't think it's going to be bullish or bearish. I think it's just going to be a thing, really. I don't attribute anything to it. So I can explain why Bitcoin is going down. Death cross 50-day moving average. You're saying news from like a month ago, Westy. I'm not sure if you think you're saying something new. What do you think of Zach, the XRP guy with crazy conspiracy theories? It's like a political cult. I have no idea who Zach is. So, someone is saying the audio's out on TikTok, or sorry, on YouTube. So, yeah, why are people freaking out about 1,800 ETH? It hit 1,700 a week ago. I don't know. Exlaton, I see you. Macro head and shoulders pattern. Oh my goodness, Westy. You're saying you're not saying anything new. Nothing at all. Liberals SMH. ETH thoughts, bro. I think it'll go higher eventually. Yeah, bold is ETH at 1,400. That's a great point, Trucker. ETH at 1,800 is not a bold prediction. ETH at 1,400, you've got my radar picked. You know? So there's going to be an Archegos-style hedge fund collapse. JP Morgan checking collateral hourly. I mean, you know. Okay, audio is fine on YouTube. Okay. Zach is Pablo's friend? All right. Transitory information will cause tapering. Interest rate to rise. Bond down. When bonds drop, gold rises. Sub 30K Bitcoin thought. It's definitely possible. I've been calling for like a July 18th bottom, maybe July 20th. So thank you, makes it happen. What is about HBAR and Cardano that you like so much? I haven't really said anything about Cardano that I like it so much. I just think it's going to be bullish like the rest of the crypto market eventually. HBAR, there's lots of reasons. I'm just trying to catch up. The fact that all this government regulation stuff, HBAR won't have to be affected by that. So let me catch up here. Bitcoin is the new gold asset. He is crazy. BlackRock is vested. Price prediction for Bitcoin. End of year like $80,000. Capital Group just bought 12% into MicroStrategy. I did see that. What do you think could be a catalyst to restart the bull market? You know, I think it's just what's gonna my thought on what's gonna happen is just that like we're accumulating it right now. The smart money, the whales, the people like that, they are accumulating Bitcoin right now. And I just think that it's going to be a steady rise once that rise finally comes. And once we get above $42,000 or so, we will be back above the 200-day moving average. We test that as support, and then we're on. So 1,400 for ETH is a good buy. If it gets to 1,400, that's a great buy. Yeah. Watching ETH to go much lower, pick up 10 ETH. Where should be a good grab? Don't go all in at one point. I would say now is a good time to grab some of it, you know, and then if it goes lower, grab more, things like that. Bought Galaxy Digital crypto stock. Is it a good buy? I don't know anything about Galaxy Digital. Buying prices for ETH, exactly what I just said. Yeah. Have you discussed EIP 1559's price dip prediction? There's a price dip prediction. Like, is it like a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing? Is that what you're talking about, Aaron? Opinion on Wells Fargo ending personal lines of credit. Is it a canary in the coal mine, A. Brown? That's what I'm wondering. You know, because personal lines of credit, not so worried about it. Business lines of credit, if they do that, then I will be terrified. So HBAR lost me lots of money. Hold. Eventually it won't. Proof of work for Ethereum. Speculative money will pull out when the money supply gets called in. Divi Coin, please check into. Maybe eventually. We need you on YouTube too. Rayhan, I'm just not interested in what you're saying. Where can you see Bitcoin falling during the bear market? All right, I mean, if it goes up to six figures, which I think it will, I would say maybe where it is right now, or maybe like 50,000, something like that. Buy in increments, yeah. Compound bottom, not on my radar. Yeah, all right, yeah. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Aaron Bell, yep. Is ETH limited like Bitcoin, only 21 million or so? No, it's. But EIP 1559 is going to turn it deflationary, which is going to be huge. So, bought my first ETH at 4 a.m. today. Already losing, but in for the long run. Good, good. Do you think Bitcoin will drop below 30K? I'm like 50-50 on it. So, AMP is less than 5 cents. Oh no, Rayhan, that's rude. I'm sorry, man. Cardano has a lot of their value locked, and people who love the project seem to back it up, taking part in that, add strength during the droughts. Yep. Looks almost identical to the .com bubble. Sure. This is an accumulation phase. The whales made the current sentiment. Yeah. People are saying things like, "Oh, I'm just not interested in your comments, EWSD. Just come back another time." You're saying like really old stuff. You're saying it seems like you're trying to teach us something new. Like you think that none of this stuff has been considered. It's hard enough keeping up with this chat, not having to deal with your 2-month-old information that you think is new. So 50K Verge down 1K. Verge isn't really on my radar. I'm sorry. Steve Barron, if that's all that you have, I would diversify. Any word on Apple buying Bitcoin? I think that was just a rumor that was spread. I don't think that's legit. If it is, that'll be great. But all right, didn't they burn a lot of ETH? No, not yet, but they will. Solana's at 29. Wow. I'm very bullish on Solana. Jared Tate equals next McAfee. Google was a good investment back then, but it was overvalued. Oh wait, or it's that guy. All right, at current prices, what are good buys? Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know who Zach Rector 7 is. I'll look him up after this. Oh yeah, come on, let me copy that. Zach Rector 7. I'm going to type that in. Top 3 personal alts: Ethereum, Binance, and Chainlink. ICP thoughts? I'm not a fan of ICP. I think it's trash. All right. What do you think about mining crypto? I think if you have the resources to do it, I think that's great. So, do you think staking will make this bear market different? Yes, slice of butter. Like Cardano lost 99% of its value from the peak in 2018 to the bear market bottom, and there's no way that's happening this time. Zero chance. Jeremy, Pablo has an agenda every time I hear him speak. VeChain is a great investment. Yes, I think so. Do you mine? I don't. I mine a little on my phone. Random currencies that don't currently have a value. Aside from XYO, that has a value. But otherwise, I don't. But I will. I'll get some Helium miners. I'll get some Doge miners. So I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. That's right. Riding this thing out like a barnyard donkey. Nice. They didn't have a live burn on ETH M. Thank you for asking some stuff. Great questions to Pablo yesterday. Thank you. Thank you. It was pretty frustrating. If we ever do that again, I'm going to be more aggressive. XRP is going to be flat till the SEC suit is over. Thinking of getting a Doge miner. Price prediction. I'm thinking of getting a Doge miner. So price prediction, I think it'll hit $1 sometime this cycle. So thank you, Chris Cotty. Hello, Mr. Mobility. What's up, man? Why do you hate ICP? They rug pulled. Whatever you want to call it. Some people are saying, bro, that wasn't a rug pull. They rug pulled. They made their billions. They not only that, they airdropped some ICP to people a few years ago, And then once it came time for it to trade, they blocked those people from selling. They just did a bunch of shady stuff. They're trying to launch a new cryptocurrency to airdrop to current ICP holders, and that's only going to dilute the value of ICP. I could go on. Is the market's being manipulated by the Illuminati or hedge funds? I don't know. Telios, not so much on my radar, Mr. Mobility, so I don't really have any thoughts on it. J. Ron, I have not. I don't have the. So I downloaded the live stream for when we talked yesterday. It was like 2 hours. I haven't posted it anywhere. I might post it on YouTube. So, Jose, wouldn't it make sense to just buy all in at the cheapest price, 10K in ETH, and increments sound like I would pay more? Just new to the dollar cost average concept, my bad. Jose, I mean, the thing is, like, you don't know where the bottom is. Where's the bottom? If you can predict the bottom and you have enough confidence, like, yeah, this is the bottom, then great. Neutral, yeah. It was hard to debate him in general. Thank you, ADZZ. After SEC, I think XRP will probably flirt with its all-time high, $3 or so. How do you mine from your phone? There's apps. There's the B app, the Pi app, XYO. Isn't ICP utility good? It may be, but I'm pretty pissed at them. So, View in Ethereum Classic. What about it? I mean, I'm fine with it for short-term gains, but. Sup, bro? Watching Bitcoin. Pablo video with a shout out to you. Did he give you a shout out? What's up with Polygon? It's under $1. I think that's a good buying point. So, Hollow, I do think it's worth investing. Yeah. Is Doge dead? I don't think so. Hey, what's up, King Galing? Yeah, I knew who you were talking about, Nicholas. Grand champion debater. Yeah, right. Thank you for the gifts, Trucker in 911. Is EMP or solar flare in your mind? Are you prepared? EMP or solar flare? Those are in my mind. Yeah, that would be kind of scary. It's just I'm gonna keep investing. Like, if the internet got shut off, I would be royally screwed. With every income earning opportunity that I can think of, I would just be finished. So I'm trying to position myself where I don't have to worry about that as much. Anchor, good long term. I think it's going to exist for a while. Thank you, Lee John. I enjoy it to an extent. I am live on YouTube, by the way. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Why would Doge go to $1? Isn't it just a meme pump and dump coin? Trolling Runner, it just follows Bitcoin. It's going to follow Bitcoin. And so I think Bitcoin's going to 6 figures this cycle within a year. So Doge will rise with it. Did Coinbase let people keep XRP when they ban it? Yeah, they did. Cardano, in general, I'm bullish just because I'm bullish on crypto right now. Ethereum, 5,000 end of the year, 15K this cycle. Is it the time to buy ETH now, or will it still go down? Dollar cost average. Radix, don't know enough. Bare Naked Charts. I follow him. He follows me. He's kind of annoying. No thanks. Hello, Popple from Sweden. Is it true that we may be out of internet for 2 weeks? I don't know. What am I going to do with my life? Where do you find live? Not sure what you're saying, Fernando. Do you want me to go on a TikTok and tell them all? No, Nicholas, no. Is it true that we may be out? Oh, wait, I answered that. If the internet went down, we got more to worry about than our money in crypto. That's absolutely right. Yep. Pack. Doge is trash. What? Oh, Pack Protocol. Little bit project, good project. So, my time is about up. Well, for those of you on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially because there are concerns about that maybe I'll get shut down on TikTok because of these new crypto crackdowns. Recommended crypto for HODL, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. BitBoy just got banned. Whoa, Crypto Weatherman, what's up, man? Oh my goodness. BitBoy got banned and he's verified. That's crazy. Yeah, load up on Quant and Solana too. Yeah. So I might get banned. Guys, I might get banned on TikTok. I would recommend absolutely hopping on over to my YouTube account and subscribing to my channel there. My pleasure, Cloud9s. Oh, 3-day ban. Just a 3-day ban? All right, I thought you were saying that he got banned permanently. Where did you find the live event, me and Pablo? Fernando, hey, Crypto Weatherman, I was live with Pablo for like 2 hours. I don't know if you saw that. I haven't posted it on YouTube. I might post it on YouTube. But honestly, the thing about it is like he was talking so much. He did like 80% of the talking. I wanted to scare me. That's funny. Pablo did 80% of the talking. I never interrupted him. He went off on a bunch of tangents. It was still a good discussion, but I was just kind of frustrated with it. So, you took kids to soccer. Yeah. As he should. So Pablo should do 80. I remember you, Flip Smokehouse. You were talking trash on my live stream. All right, a 3-day ban. And Blockchain Boy has a 24-hour ban. Okay. Neutral. You're sad. Could have been so much more. So, and by the end of it, I just like, I gave up. Like, he was going off. No, he is knowledgeable, Flip Smokehouse. I agree with that. But like, you know, I was too nice to him. Like, thank you, Crypto Hustler. I let him interrupt me, and I never interrupted him. That's the summary of the live stream with me and Pablo. All right. I'm out. See you guys. Oh, YouTube. I am back only on YouTube with my friends. When is the market going to bounce back? Are we going to see another drop below 28K first? I don't know about below 28K, but Brian, you got to check out my TikToks that I made. Let me highlight those. So check out this one, the most recent one. Check out this one called Grayscale Unlocks. I mean, there's a lot of things going on with Grayscale right now, and once we get by this, I'm going to be pretty bullish. But I'm bearish for the next week to 10 days. And then this one, July 18 bottom question mark. July 18 bottom. That's what I'm wondering is if we're going to hit a bottom with the price of Bitcoin on July 18th. And if so, then we'll see. Bunch of whining. Oh man. Like, it's funny. YouTube is so much more peaceful for me. I enjoy going live on YouTube so much more. Thank you, Jose. Because on TikTok, the problem with TikTok is that they're responding to these 1-minute videos. And I just can't say everything I want to say in 1 minute. But they take that, and it's, younger and more immature people. They take that like everything I'm saying is everything I intend or want to say or am capable of saying. And that's just not true. So what do I say about it? I mean, people hate me. There's a lot of haters on TikTok. Jose, Patreon's still good. What do you mean by that? I am on Patreon. I'm still going to be posting on Patreon probably like 2 times a week until it's more of a need to, if that's what you're asking, Jose. You want me to post the video on Patreon, the live stream with me and Pablo? Is that what you're saying? because that's a great idea. I'll post it on Patreon, and then I can post it later on a little while, you know. Oh, yeah. All right, Umberto. And then I can post it a few days later on YouTube. Umberto, I tried Facebook Live, but I'll try Instagram Live. Facebook Live, there were some issues. I just couldn't figure out how to do it while also going live on YouTube and on TikTok. So, but maybe, yeah, I'll try Instagram Live, see how that works out. Okay. I'm going to be done. Thank you all. I will see you. Oh, didn't mean to do that. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be live again tomorrow. So